Yeah, what's up, guys?
Hi, what's up? I'm here today because I got day off today from my work.
Actually, it's day off from office, okay? It's not really day off from the work. Yeah, but we have time to go somewhere together today, so you guys must be happy because too much my face, but this is more chantic, beautiful face than me, so
yeah, so we are heading to Canggu today. And I think that long time I've never been to Canggu actually.
Yeah, actually I always been in Canggu when he wasn't been in Canggu. By the way, traffic is quite busy in Denpasar. We are actually in the corner of Teoku Umar and Marlborough.
Yes, this is the intersection of Marlborough Street and Tekumar, as you see.
Yeah.
In the traffic already
quite busy. I will make a shot. We will talk later, but I will make a shot, show you the road because it's quite busy over here.
Alright, so as you see, the road in Denpasar actually already busy.
Yeah, it's already a little bit busier. We go by car because of two reasons. Reason number one is cloudy and we don't gonna get wet. As you know, it's not the best time to get sick.
Yeah, actually that nowadays is starting a rainy season in Bali. Like almost every day is raining, either at night or at daytime actually. So yeah, we decided just go to Canggu by car.
Yeah, and also second reason is, like I said last week or something like that, if you follow me every single day, you know, but a lot of new people, Canggu is not the safest place in Bali right now. Actually, Uluwatu last 2 days ago also wasn't safest. As you know, or you don't know, my helmet got stolen. I got the new one today, however, it's not the best idea to go today to Canggu by bike. Oh, be careful, honey, it's so bumpy here.
Okay, I'll show you the road actually.
Oh, sorry.
As you see, traffic already back.
Yeah, it's quite busy over here.
Yeah. So this is Kerobokan area actually.
Already Kerobokan area.
Yeah, this is already Kerobokan area.
And we are heading to Canggu, planning to have lunch, dinner, I mean, in Deus Ex Machina. You know, I'm the biggest fan of Deus. Maybe I will buy the hat or something because mine is already warm.
Oh, look,
check this out, the traffic.
You see?
Over here is always traffic, as you see. Oh! And bumpy, but this is like a traffic right now over here is exactly how it's normal every day, but it's kinda
life is normal, right?
In Denpasar. We will see how it's in Canggu.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine.
Just passed the Kerobokan area, and that was the prison.
Yeah, so we already passed Kerobokan area, so we passed the Kerobokan jail. Actually, Kerobokan jail is famous for those foreigners who come to Bali who's selling drugs, the drug dealers.
By the way, it's the book about this jail. It's called Hotel Kerobokan. If you doesn't read this,
we already passed Canggu actually. In Canggu there is one big what is it? I should say
fitness club.
Yeah, gym. Fitness club, gym,
recreation center,
and then I was there, you know, like, and also school, private school with the private sport station like gym and everything, swimming pool, water park, bowling, all at once.
Yeah,
All is there.
Like a recreation center,
Yes,
and this
and also the
belongs,
school.
belongs to the Finns
Yeah.
company,
Yeah.
the same owner as the Finns Beach Club.
Yeah. Okay, as you see that the Canggu intersection, well, already back to
Already.
normal actually. Like, as you see, cars, traffic. Yes.
Already you can get a little bit stressed, but as you see, I'm very like relaxed still. But yeah, it's already traffic is going to be much more normal. As you see, we just arrived to the famous Oldswell, and behind me is a kind of police, army, whatever they call, some Pechalang stuff. It's the action masker anyways. We passing with some girl was brushing the floor. I don't know what should I say actually, but
Yeah, you have to wear a mask. If not, they will ask you to sweep the floor.
Yeah, well, so as you can see, the weather is not the best today. Sunset is already gone. It was actually not really sunset. It's quite windy. It's still hot. As you see, you have to be very careful when you enter the area. Actually, over here is okay, but when you enter, if you wanna brush the parking area or something, so better wear mask.
Yes.
Anyway, you should wear mask anyway. But yeah, you know.
Well, actually, that whenever we park our car before, we see that so many, you know, like kind of special police who is, you know, checking your mask, and then you have to wear a mask. And we saw that one white girl, the bullet girl, actually, she was asked to sweep the, you know, the road because of she's not wearing.
And probably she didn't willing to pay the 100k fine.
Yeah, well, actually, then after that, when we, you know, walk and then arrive to the beach, as you see, not many people wearing masks.
Yeah, well, that's how it is. I will show you a few snaps more, and we will go to Deus, yeah?
Yeah.
passing the lawn over here. Oh, honey, where are you? Yeah, the lawn. Yeah, but not much is happening in the lawn. Anyway, and now heading back to the parking area. We'll see if the security is still there.
Mudah-mudahan setiap hari kegiatan tetapi saya sekaligus hari ini mohon diri dan mohon maaf sebesar-besarnya karena saya
Alright, so we arrived to the Deus Ex Machina area, and behind us
is Love Anchor Canggu. Actually, that famous what is it? The market souvenir shop in Canggu.
yeah, and accessories, especially for ladies and stuff. Yeah, I hope so. You're not gonna go shopping today, right?
No, so I just decided to have dinner. Actually, I'm already
Alright.
hungry.
Either way, one thing what we first noticed when we arrived here is this famous Luigi's. This one, that's actually kinda new bar restaurant, but very huge. Always a lot of people inside. It's
Yeah,
closed.
because they always what is it? Lots of people coming because they sell a very big pizza. I think that the biggest pizza
In
and also
Canggu.
in Canggu and also cheap.
Yeah, and anyway, when I was last time here, if you watched my video, of course, obviously, was open, but now it's closed. Now it's only Deus is open over here, where we actually are heading into.
Well, actually, that Luigi's Pizza is the same, what is it, company as Damaria and also Motel Mexicola and also Tropicola. So it's so sad that Luigi's Pizza is closed,
closed.
actually.
But the
Normally.
Deus next door is open.
Okay, let's go there to have dinner.
Buang segala-galanya mendingan langsung.
Alright, so we are now in the Deus.
So, well, actually that now we are in Deus Cafe and we decided to have dinner and special dinner for Damian. Actually, you know, you can guess actually special.
Yeah, very
and then
sure.
special drink from me. I'm not drinking alcohol, but this is a ice lychee tea.
Actually,
I order it for 1 jug.
Well, but it's non-alcoholic. Don't think.
We are not drinking alcohol.
yeah.
Well, actually, that he is coming from Poland. I know that Polish people famous for alcohol. I know that, but he's not
Yeah.
drinking alcohol.
The
Pardon
mo-
him.
Yeah.
But I still love Polish men.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's true. I'm from Poland, and we Polish people drink quite a lot alcohol. However, I'm one of the only one who not drinking. Some people even saying I'm not from Poland because I'm not drinking. So, yeah. However, I just wanna say a few words as it's super quiet. I'm so sorry to say it's only one table over there, and that's it.
Yeah, so maybe now Damian will take you a tour inside the Deus shop, his favorite shop. Whenever we are in Deus in Canggu, he will take a tour and stay inside maybe for half hour.
Yeah, I like those brand. However, it's not sponsored video. I'm not making the advertising. I just really like it. However, if I'm gonna go to Australia, I will also go to Deus. By the way, Deus is Australian brand if you don't know. Yeah, I will show you guys around. I found a nice hat for my second. I buy it.
Okay, just go.
No, not today, maybe in a different occasion. Yeah, this is actually quite the new seating area over here. They changed a little bit. They put the nice bike over here. Yeah, that's how it looks like. But I actually make a vlog over here in the shop at least once a month. However, like Winnie said, I'm the big fan of this place. They have nice bikes. Here's the bar behind me. Surfboards, custom surfboards, very nice. Clothes, of course, obviously. Like today, even I'm wearing the t-shirt of those. I'm thinking about buying new hat, by the way. I will show you this one. What do you think? Comment below. Should I buy? No. Maybe. Yeah. That's how it looks, the situation over here. I will have a dinner. Yeah. Well, honey, how's your pizza?
So good.
Did you put the chili on it? Winnie has to eat the pizza with chili. No other way. Yeah, that's how it looks. Perfect. Like always. Yeah. Smacznego, honey.
Dziękuję.
Honey, what do you have?
Alright, so after we had pizza, actually it's time to have dessert. So I have a chocolate lava cake. I'll show you.
Let's open. Wait. Yeah, open.
Look at the chocolate, it's melted. Ooh. With the ice cream. I know that you feel like you want to eat it with me. Hold on. Oh. Hold on.
Nice. Your favorite lava cake, yeah?
So this is my favorite chocolate lava cake in Canggu. Only in Deus Cafe. Look at this one. Melted. Ooh. Alright, so we just finished our dinner actually. We had a super yummy chocolate lava cake. Love it.
My favorite pizza, Winnie's favorite lava cake. And I think we will finish the vlog today now.
Yeah, I think that's all for today. As you see, I don't know what to say. I don't want to say quiet, but it is. I don't know. Like before, when we are on the street, it's super busy.
On the main
road in Canggu.
In the main roads it's busy, but when you go already intro to the heart of the Canggu or other areas, it's just the quiet as you see.
All right, so thank you for watching our video for today. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends who already miss Bali and who really wants to come to Bali, and then keep asking us when Bali is opening. Well, I don't know. Really, I don't know yet.
Hopefully next year, but well,
soon.
probably will be next year, but I cannot promise you that will be on the 1st of January. However, we will see. Like always, we do every single day the new video. It's uploaded at 7 p.m. Like, share, comment, and see you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
See ya. Take care.